All right, got a new camera. I switched over to the Hero 10, so goodbye Hero 9. We are going to drop off this bike for a little service, but on the way I saw somebody had dumped a little mini fridge, I think, so we'll probably pick that up and take that to the scrap yard, like less than a mile away from where it was dumped, and see how much we get for it. So stay tuned. All right, so here we are, and sure enough, there's the mini fridge. So let me grab this fucking thing, pick it up. There it is. We'll go drop this off less than a mile away.
We might not survive it. Just you and me. Robert.
A pound for that thing. So someone chucked it in the woods. 50 pounds, 2 cents a pound, 102. Amazing. Yeah, I once found a hot water heater there in the same spot, well, further up the hill, and I just drove it right here, less than a mile, and cashed it in. Crazy.